And welcome back. Now, my first pick for stocks of 2021 January is going to be Palantir. Now, Palantir is an American software company that specializes in big data analytics for government agencies such as the FBI, such as the CIA. Now, we all know that we love to invest money into these companies. Anything the American government does, they like to make money. My first pick is going to be Palantir. Now, this is a super hyped up stock at the moment, but for really good reasons. Now, Palantir is currently trading at $27.75 with a low of $8.90 and a 52-week high of $33.20. I believe this is a stock that right now is a good price and we should be looking to buy into it. If not, drip feed it over the next 3 to 6 months and start using that dollar cost averaging to make some money over 2021. If we have a look at the stock price since 2020 September, we can see there's been a huge gain over there. You know, it's gone from $10 up to $27. That's a profit margin that we like. Now, what I will say is that at the moment they've got a $52 billion market cap. But it's a relatively new stock and we don't have any idea about where any more data on that or PE ratios or earning shares for Palantir at this time. But I do believe in it and I do think that you need to start chipping away at that and putting a bit of money into it. It doesn't pay a dividend. Now, we know that I love dividends. Dividends are great. Yeah, we like seeing that money come into our accounts. This is a negative on it. And my second pick for January 2021 is one we've all bet our money on in the past and we're probably still doing it, but it's Apple. Apple, we love it, we've been there, we've done it, we've made money, we've bought their products. I bet you're using one of their phones right now. You know, they've got new Macs coming out, new phones, new everything, new earbud Pros. You know, they're $550, yet everyone's still buying them. Mac, Apple, it's a bargain. Keep on going in there. The cost at the moment is it's pretty high, but it will continue to go up. Now, what have they got launching this year? They've got the M1 chip. The M1 chip is phenomenal, and I believe that's going to go into the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and that is just going to blow the ships out of the water. You know, the competition will not be able to keep up with them. Now, you know, they're up 74% in 2020. How can you argue with that? I know I had my money in Apple back then, and I've still got some in now, and I'm continuing to buy it through 2021, especially now. But why? Where's Apple going to go? Now, I'll tell you where it's going to go. They are looking into Tesla's world. You know, cars, electronic cars. It's a $9 trillion business by 2030. Don't you want to be involved in that? I know I do. What I love about Apple is that they're trying to diversify. As I've said, they're going to go into the EV market. Where's all the money being made at the moment? Yes, we've told Tesla. We've spoken about NIO. We've spoken about the other people out there. Apple are great at doing this. They diversify and they find where the future is. And I believe that's why you've got to keep on ploughing money into Apple. That's pick number 2 for January 2021. And my third pick for January 2021 is a tattooed chef. Now, this is a relatively new company out there, but they are going down the same route as Beyond Meat. And I think, you know, with all these vegans out there now, all pushing the buttons of everyone, and especially during lockdown periods, people starting to look after their health a little bit more. They're starting to think, looking for alternatives to meat. Things are a little bit healthier. We're seeing the numbers for these go from $10 up to $27, and I'm going to see great growth over the next year for Tattooed Chef. Their market share is about 1.3 billion, and you know what? I would take a punt on this one. As I mentioned, this is a small cap stock, therefore it is a bit more on the risky side, and that's where the volatility comes into it. Again, put some in, let it ride. I think this is about 2.5 on the scale, and which means, you know, it's in between a buy and a hold. You might need to keep hold of this for a little bit longer, but I hate to say it, but these sort of companies are the future. You know, a lot of people can live without meat. Me? No, I love my steak. But, you know, there are people out there, and these sort of companies are growing all the time. So that's my third pick. Pick all three of these picks and you'll make some money. Hey, my name's Jamie Morden. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Subscribe up here. And if you don't, I'm going to send a DeLorean over to your place to take you back to 2020.